On our previous video, we boarded our flight from Kolkata and we were ready for Cochin. It took about 2.5 hours to reach Cochin from Kolkata. In this video, we will take you to the backwaters of Kerala, which is also known for its interconnected canals. We can already experience the vibes of South India once we reach Cochin airport. We had our lunch and we were ready to experience the Blackish Lagoon of Kerala. Boats over there were quite expensive. They were asking for 3500 for the complete 40 minutes package. We booked a cab which costed us around Rs 2000 for the complete Cochin sightseeing. I will mention the driver's contact in the description below. So moving forward, we finalized this boat for Rs 3000 for 8 person and we were ready to experience the backwaters of Kerala. Nothing can be more fascinating than boating through the serene backwaters of Cochin. On one side you can see the development of the city and on another side you can see the locals using the fishing techniques. This one on my left hand side is one of the fishing techniques used over there. People over there are very friendly, but majority of them speaks and understand Malayalam and English only, which makes the communication quite difficult over there. Backwaters of Kerala are home for many migratory birds. Some of the common species you can experience over there are kingfisher, pelicans, and if you are lucky enough you can see some greater flamingos. Moving forward, you can see some unique fishing techniques. This one is known as Chinese fishing net, locally known as Chinawala in Malayalam, where the front part dips into the river and released by the counterweight at the back part. It was introduced to India in 14th century. Its unique culture and tradition made Kerala one of the most popular destinations in the world, which is growing at the rate of 13%. The tourism industry is the major contributor to the state economy as well. One can experience the backwaters of Cochin to get a feel, but the actual backwaters I will be showing on my next upcoming video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video if you like this. The river is surrounded by coconut trees, so we took a break for having coconuts. Fishing and tourism are locals' only source of income. So next time you see a fisherman over the backwaters of Kerala, wave your hands. These all constructions are illegal and by the time you will be watching this video, they all might be demolished. It brings the end to the journey. So in my next video I will be going to the southern part of the Kerala. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.